Tastes like Spain. Delicious.
We just got to Spain, kind of. We got here much earlier this morning and we're just awakening now. And first and foremost on the agenda today is to go get some tapas.
It's been a hell of a ride. Woke up this morning and now we're here. We're starving, we didn't even eat any breakfast, so this tapa is gonna be used as breakfast and lunch.
They say into your eyes.
Here's a lesson. When you ask for a beer, you ask for a caña, not a cerveza.
Do keep in mind when you order a drink here, each time you order one, you usually will get a small plate of food accompanied with it in the price of the drink.
And if you're not getting one, you're probably not at the right spot, so switch it up. That's the great thing about these places. They're relatively low cost, so you can keep ordering and keep going to the next one, kind of like bar hopping. Quick little walk away from the tapas. We're coming up to a park called Retiro, and the cool thing about this park, I was here like 15, 16 years ago, so I'm hoping it looks exactly how I left it.
You can run through it, you can walk through it, you can rent bikes. Those are very accessible throughout the city. There's a palace in there that we're gonna visit, a few different statues. It is a extremely large park, so I probably would recommend renting a bike. We are gonna hoof it though, just because.
One random piece of advice too when you're coming here, especially in October, is just like Porto where we were, wear something a little bit longer in the morning, because in the afternoon it does heat up a lot.
Rule of thumb for all of Europe, dress in layers, bring layers, so that you can basically go down to a t-shirt, but make sure you have something a little bit warmer for the mornings and the evenings.
So far so good. She looks exactly how I left her. Trees are a little bit taller, but very quaint.
But so are you.
People are also having picnics here, and a lot of people just leisurely walking around, enjoying the stroll.
I mean, it's a pretty big park, so I think to walk from one end to the other might take you an hour and a half. In the middle of the park, there's this giant lake where you can rent rowboats, and there's also places to get food, everything from snacks to, it looks like they serve drinks. There's live music, there's people painting pictures of other people, kind of like those caricature things. So there's a lot going on, and so far this is the most happening spot of the park that we've come across.
It just seems like a very Spanish thing to do on the weekend, is bring your family out here, enjoy the live music, fresh air, sightsee, people watch, things like that.
The main attractions in the park is called the Crystal Palace, and I'm not sure exactly what's inside. It looks like a botanical garden or greenhouse type setup. You can't see what's inside from the outside.
It looks like a fish tank.
It's free to get in, so we're gonna wait in this long line to see what's on the inside. Oh, these will fit you. Here.
Oh, bingo. It's got to squeeze into my Keeblers. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm about to go open a body up. I'm about to go do some surgery on this museum. Scrolling around. Okay, we're in, and it kind of looks like the outside, but on the inside.
So right now there is an exhibit going on, and there's a lot of different letters, and they're written in water, which is actually pretty cool. I don't know how they're congealed and staying like that, but that's the exhibition that's here.
It is kind of cool when the light comes in and hits it, and in a certain perspective, it gives it kind of like a crystal glow. So, pretty tight. But I wouldn't necessarily like go out of your way to stay in line to come here.
If the line looks like it's less than 20 minutes, go for it. If you think it's gonna be an hour, maybe pass it. It's very cool from the outside as well though. I kind of think it's worth to come in here though. As you know, and I'm sure you've heard of Prado Museum, Madrid is full of other art museums to visit. If you plan it right and you're here on a Saturday and Sunday or other specific times, we can post them below. You can actually get into some of these museums for free. And we are about to close out the evening by going to Reina Sofia, which is also an art museum, and it features a lot of Picasso's work. Not gonna lie, this museum looks massive. You could probably spend an entire day in here. We're getting here around 7, it's a Saturday. So we'll see how much we can cover in the next hour or so.
Kind of looks like the museum in DC a little bit, just the whole structure of it. This thing is, it's a tank.
You can obviously come here during regular hours. General admission to get in is around €10. There's special packages that you can get, but you might as well take advantage of it and come while it's free. But you still need to stop at the ticket booth and get the ticket.
Just in case you bought a large item or something that they don't permit in the museum, they do have locker rooms. All you have to do is put a little euro coin in as a deposit. When you return your item and pull the key back, your coin should drop and you get it back. So far I'm enjoying it. Glad we got in for free. I don't know if I would have actually paid because conceptual is not really my thing, although I do have appreciation for it. But views from the top are pretty cool.
Yeah, so at the top of the museum on the 4th floor, there's this terrace area and it has a pretty nice view. So if you can make it up here by sunset on a day where it's free, geez, it's not bad.
It's getting a little too real in the park right now.
He's looking right at me. He just winked. Oh my God, did you see that, Raphael?